Thank you for calling. My name is Martin and I'm calling you from Windows Service Center about your computer. Okay?
I called you.
Okay, so I believe you got a voicemail regarding your computer security license, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Let me tell you. Actually, the thing is that your computer security license, the license like firewall security in your computer, got expired. And it will be auto renew with the amount $399 when you register Visa or MasterCard.
Three.
You want to renew or you want to cancel?
How much?
$399.
One time.
$399.
One time pay or every month?
It's a one-time payment for 10 years only.
$3.99. $3.99. $3.
399
Oh, I thought you said $3.99 for 10 years.
No, $399 for 10 years.
Yeah. So what am I getting for that? What service are you providing me?
So I'm providing you the computer security, the security like firewall, 360, antivirus like that.
I can.
Protect your computer and that protect your computer from the something malicious attack from the internet directly.
But I mean, I can. I can download that stuff for free, can't I? Well, do you take Bitcoin?
No sir, we didn't take Bitcoin.
Well, do you take Ethereum?
Yes.
You take Ethereum?
Yes, we accept.
Ethereum.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Hearing me?
Yeah, I can hear you. So I can pay you in ETH, right?
Yeah.
What's your ETH address?
First of all, you just need to turn on your computer, then I will tell you the everything, every detail, whatever you want and whatever I want, you need to give me, okay?
Well, I have my computer on now.
Sorry?
I have my computer on now.
Yes, you have to turn on your computer right now.
It's on.
You want to renew or you want to cancel? You didn't tell me still now.
I want to renew whatever.
You want to renew?
Yeah.
So?
I want to renew. It's very noisy there. Where are you in a zoo or something? Why is it so noisy?
Because it's my colleagues, they are also working here and they are talking to the other
Well,
computer.
maybe you should tell them to keep the volume down a bit. No? I can't hear.
So, okay, so I will try to make some healthy environment for you, okay?
Can you like build some walls or something around, build some books up around you or something? I can barely hear myself.
Sorry?
I can barely hear you. I can't hear you.
Is it okay now?
It's a little bit better. So you'll take Ethereum, right? Not Bitcoin, but you'll take Ethereum.
Okay, that's cool.
What do you mean, cause?
I didn't mean anything. You just turn on your computer, okay?
My computer is on.
Okay. Can you tell me what you can see on your computer screen right now?
I can see my Amazon page.
Okay. Minimize the page or close the page and come to the home screen, the home page.
Mm, okay, why do I need to do that? So what do I have to give you?
You need to just turn on your computer
My computer is on.
and follow my instructions. That's it.
Okay, I'm following you. What do you want me to do?
Okay. First of all, which browser do you use?
Vivaldi.
Sorry?
Vivaldi. He's a great musician. He makes a browser called Vivaldi. Have you heard of it?
I said, which browser do you use for the general type of?
Yeah, I told you. Vivaldi. You never heard of Vivaldi browser before?
It's not a browser.
Is
You're
it?
kidding with me, right?
No, I'm not kidding with you. Put it into Google. Put Vivaldi browser into Google.
Okay. Now open it
It's open.
and write there. I mean type there www dot.
Hmm. Okay.
What did what you type there?
www dot
I said 3W and put a dot.
2W and then put a dot.
3W and put a dot.
Okay, yes, I did that.
Now Team Weaver. Should I spell it out or you can do it yourself?
Oh, can you spell it out for me, please?
Okay. T as in tiger.
Uh,
A as in elephant.
TE, yeah.
A as in alien.
Okay. Tea, as in the drink tea, right? Drink some tea.
Yes.
Right, right, right.
What you type there?
TEA. www.tea.
Okay. Now M as in Michael.
Okay, team.
V as in Victor.
Uh huh.
I as in idiot like you.
I is in what?
I as an idiot like
I'm an idiot.
yes you are bloody bastard.
Why?
My time.
I'm not wasting your time, sir.
Shut up. Don't call us again, guys.